I let you off with a warning shot at a time. Next time you won't be so lucky. Oh, and I was gonna C4 his ass.
Shot his dick.
Yeah, you gotta aim higher.
Whoa, buddy got that false name. What was that?
I mean, you gotta aim higher.
I'm sorry, man.
Fucking gas!
Only in Ohio.
Taking his mouth. Oh wait, he just said only in Ohio.
This is wrong, man.
Don't shoot my shotgun. Pick me up.
Fuck you.
Kill yourself doing that.
If you push the pan, it only breaks the food. Oh, it broke the pan. Sorry, we can eat that?
It's quite hungry.
Fuck. Dude, I better.
That was a beautiful bandit trick, by the way. Like, let's all not forget that either.
Glazing is insane.
Yeah, good shit.
Thank you, I'm so close! Copper, did I want to hear it?
Did you call me Copper?
How did you copper?
Copper, do that?
Yeah. What the fuck?
Fuck you, man. Copper can't do that.
Oh no!
What the?
Get in there.
Someone's gonna be guarding diffuser. Sorry for dying.
Push room explosion. Doing.
Never die
Oh,
again.
there's a
I don't think what I saw.
Okay, oh my god.
I was just baiting myself for the rest of the team. We lose. We lose.
Fuck you, dude!
You feed off of negativity. I know you do. I was just helping.
He had a full blinded himself and then walked into a frost mat.
You're not supposed to tell.
Oh shit.
What? 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 That's retarded!
I was here when my guy was like,
Damn, how did he get there so fucking fast, dude? Get some kills!
I'm sorry.
Plus this fucking idiot who like, oh yeah, they definitely have a castle. There's no way.
I get Ash.
Hi, Ash.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're unworthy playing Ash, Joseph.
Can I have Ash?
For sure.
Remember, you want Ash?
Yeah, thank you.
Look at this dude.
Holes. Why is he shooting?
That was cool, man.
I'm not sure why I did that.
It's this disgusting spawn food.
Damn. I was already gonna press that. Any day now, literally.
On one. Alright, let's go.
Jesus, I ducked it. Oh.
Oh my god, bro. It was alright.
It hit my bell.
Looking at walls at all times. Oh. I didn't hear the clock.